Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share with you how I'm handling a malware attack from my website. So this is my company website. I work with a company and they have a lot of websites, and almost all of their site is being hacked. So today I will show you how we can fix it. So what's the problem? You can see this is the href audit result, and in the result we can see image broken 5000 blah blah blah, like all of this huge file. Even we see like thousands of error right here. This is not correct because this is a malware and the actual number of pages is less than 5 for this domain. And actually I already fixed for this issue, and I will show you another example, which is this domain. This is a vwwindowsticker.com, and you cannot see anything going wrong right here, but the issue is in the sitemap. So if you open the sitemap.xml, you can see all of these random pages is created by the malware. You can see all of this. So this is the one that's causing the issue. So how we can fix it? Let me show you the first step, which is removing the malware. So to remove the malware, first of all, I already spent like so many hours to find out where is the malware being put by the hacker. So after spend some hours to find out that the malware is saved in WP admin or WP includes. And one tips that you need to know, WP includes and WP admin is same for all websites. We just need to make sure that the version is same. So the easy step to remove this virus is just replace with the clean version. So just go to the WordPress website and download the WordPress version. For me, this is a 661, so I need to download the 661 version. I already have that file here, the WP admin and WP includes. What I need to do is just upload this. Let's do that. After you get the WP admin and WP includes in here, you just need to, you can remove or rename it. I prefer to rename it, so let's just rename it to old. After you done this, go extract this file. Let's extract. Where is extract? Extract right here. After that, extract the WP includes. And actually the issue is fixed right now. If you open the sitemap right now, let's duplicate it. Let's refresh. And right now the sitemap is already back normal using RankMath SEO. So yeah, all the page is here. You can see we only have 3 pages, but it's come up with 10,000 because the malware. So how to fix it? The first thing that you need to do is just replace the WP includes and WP admin, and that will fix most of the issue. Another thing that I need to fix right here is fixing the HTTP access permissions, because right here he is like putting a 444 to my HTTP access, and I don't like it. I prefer to use just 644. Just update it. And the next one is, if you find you cannot upload any plugin or any themes like me, let me show you. If I open the plugin, I don't see any add new plugin button. So what you need to do is you need to modify the WP setting. Let me show you. Oh, sorry, I mean WP config. I am opening the wrong file. Go to the WP config, search about it right here, and click edit. You can change the permission too if you want. Let me just change it to 664. And then edit. If it's about the plugin, it cannot be uploaded or themes. There must be something about in the WP config. So just remove these 2 lines, because you can see disallow file edit, disallow file mode. It's true. This should not be true. Just remove it. And if you are using this one, right now we can upload plugin again. Let's refresh. Okay, and it's done. After you done that, right now what we need to do is go to the file manager and poll and check is there any unusual file or not. If there is, just remove it. For example, we can easily find that there is file called Rosal. What is this? Just remove it. This must be created by the hacker. And then go to the WP content. Because this file we don't change anything, right? We need to manual doing this. And right now we see there is like NGT FaceDub, I don't know what. Just remove it. Enable again. I think all is normal. Let's go to the plugin. Let's see the plugin carousel slider. I don't think I'm using this. Then just remove it. And yep, that's all. I think the other is I'm using it. And the next step is go to the theme. Go to the theme and check is there any unusual theme. But for me, I think it's all normal. But I just don't use this 3 themes, so I just delete this. Okay, so cleaning up the file is pretty much done, and right now what we need to do is install a security plugin. For me, I prefer to use Wordfence. In this plugin you will need to insert a license, but I already have my free license, so I just going to use this. You can create this freely in their website, okay? Just create it by yourself. You don't need to write my license because this is just a free license. Right here in the plugin, let's just immediately scan. Go to the scan and scan all the file. Start new scan. What we need to do right now is wait. Okay, so the scanning process is done. Let's see what the results. First of all, we can see file appear to be malicious or unsafe. Content plugin WP Rocket. Okay, for me this one is safe. I trust WP Rocket, so I will just click ignore. The next one is plugin cadence Gutenberg need upgrade. Okay, I will update it later. It's okay. First, and the next one is WP setting file modified by the malware or the hacker. Okay, let's just click repair, and this plugin will repair this file immediately. And wow, error occur. You know what? I think it's because the permissions. Then we need to open the permission because this hacker is always like changing the permission of the file. Here 444, we need to change it to 644. The permission, right? Save. And after this you can continue this, you can reload and just do repair again. Let's do repair, and it's fixed. Wow. And the other issue is just need to update the plugin, so let's just update the plugin right now. Done. So actually all the step is done. What we need to do right now is just clear the cache, and I would love to make a backup for the safety. So to make a backup, let's go to the setting and go to the updraft backup and click backup. Don't forget send backup to my remote storage. This is my Google Drive, just to be safe. Okay, so I think that's pretty much everything that I can do to clean out this malware. So just to recap, first of all, what we need to do is remove the malware. How we can do it? We need to replace the WP include and WP admins. And the second thing is we need to remove unnecessary files, for example like the junk file, and also you need to modify the WP config if you cannot upload plugin. And so that's the second part. And the third part is we need to start install Wordfence and scan is there any malicious or suspicious files left in your WordPress. And after that, lastly, don't forget to make a backup. I recommend you to use an updraft because I personally love it, and these plugins never turn me down. This always help me out. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video, and I hope this helped for you, and bye bye, see you next time.